Shout out to Firefighter Roofing for making this possible. So here we go, Hudson's Heroes. This comes from Sandy Dumeyer. She said, I would like to nominate my son-in-law, Bryan Ward. Bryan is such a blessing. He's a Marine veteran and a Flower Mound firefighter paramedic. Bryan puts his all into everything that he does. And he married my daughter 8 years ago and has raised my granddaughter as his own.
Aww.
Get this, Frank, you're not going to believe this.
Yeah.
Bryan and my daughter also adopted a newborn baby that was dropped off at the fire department.
No way!
Lane is now 5 years old and just graduating kindergarten, thanks to Bryan. Bryan, thank you for being our hero.
Oh my gosh.
Your mother-in-law, Sandy Dumeyer.
Oh my gosh, what a story.
Dude, you're not Hudson's hero.
Man,
you're everybody's hero.
Right. So cool.
Hey, listen, we go through this life, the ups, the downs. Frank always says, God just wants you to show up. Bryan, you're showing up every single day, not just on the job to punch the clock to go serve Flower Mound, but you're serving your family and you're taking in people to show them love and you're serving life.
Yeah.
Buddy, congratulations. Firefighter Roofing says, high five, we love you. They're going to give you a $100 Visa gift card, so go take your wife out. You guys have date night, enjoy each other, and thank you for being Hudson's Heroes this week. 94.9 KLTY.